Today we'll take a look at the Productivity tab in Microsoft Word. The Productivity ribbon for Microsoft Word is a customized ribbon that the Texas Governor's Committee on People with Disabilities, in conjunction with a multi-agency team of accessibility professionals, created to assist users in creating accessible documents more easily. It places all of those accessibility commands in one location and then provides a checker to determine if your document is accessible. It also allows you to easily add a table of contents to a document that has been properly tagged. Because this isn't a native Microsoft tool, IS&T cannot add it system-wide, but they love the idea. See the link in this post to view directions for adding this ribbon to your Microsoft Word experience, or visit the Malone Center website under Captioning and Assistive Technology. In order to create a table of contents, all you have to do is make sure your item is tagged properly. Go back to the top of your page and select the Table of Contents button. Now you have a table of contents. For more information, check out the link in this post.